Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a Yamaha 40 horsepower 2-stroke outboard that keeps cutting under load. This is a really common issue with these engines, so I'll show you the symptoms, the possible causes and how you can fix it yourself. So here what happens. At idle or low speed, the engine runs a little bit rough and has blue smoke and signs of unburned fuel in the exhaust. And when you give it a little bit of throttle or put it under load, it bogs down or stalls. That usually points to a fuel delivery issue or an ignition problem. So first, check your fuel supply. Make sure the tank vent is open and the fuel line isn't kinked. Then squeeze the primer bulb. If it's going soft under load, you might have a blocked fuel filter or a failing fuel pump. Next, check the fuel filter and replace it if it looks dirty. Also, inspect the fuel lines for cracks or air leaks. Even a small air leak can cause the motor to cut up at high RPM. Mine did have a little bit of a crack in the pipes, so I did change the pipes. Don't forget the ignition side. Check your spark plugs and replace them if needed. Weak spark under load can feel exactly like a fuel problem. Now, let me tell you with this engine, so when I check the spark plugs, only one of them was working and two of them they were partially working, so I need to replace all of them to make the engine run a lot more smoother.
On the box, right? Put the other leg on the box. Put the other leg.
And after we changed this, we replaced the fuel lines that they were cracked. Everything was back to normal. Engine was healthy, was going in high revs, not had any problems under big loads, when you're cruising. So yeah, everything was back to normal. So if your Yamaha outboard 2-stroke engine is cutting under load, go through these steps: fuel supply, filter, lines, and spark plugs. Most of the time, one of these fixes the issue without a huge repair bill. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please hit the like button, drop a comment if you had this problem on your outboard, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY content. See you in the next video.